Hello， 大家好，欢迎回到我的频道。所以你们不是一直都跟我说你们要看吃播吗？我就一直很想要吃 Wingstop， 可是我一直生病，然后吃不到。所以今天差不多应该好了，可以吃了啦。OK，so 我终于 order 了 Wingstop。Oh my god，I can't wait！ 我这边也是有一份蘑菇汤，很难让你看到吧 ？Yes， 就那种罐头的 Campbell soup， 然后加了一点胡椒粉，那个 angle 有点这样子啦，就因为需要给你们看到食物，所以this is the best angle 呀 ，OK， 我们先来开口吧。诶 ，so cool！ It's like the Chinese New Year packaging 下。我要放慢一下。哦，我没有拿 straw。It's okay. As usual, this is 一个很随便的一个吃播 ，OK？ So it's very lapsap。所以这边我有 ketchup manis， 这另外一边的是那个 Louisiana wrap，and of course， 他们现在有那个 like I don't know is this large or XL size 的 range，so of course I have to get this，but it's freaking expensive like $3 plus。Honestly, it's smaller than expected， 我会更大罐一点。It should be enough 啦。And 我也是有 curly fries。Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm so excited。哦，我等不及，我们先来吃一个薯条吧。有点冷了吧 ？It's okay, still good. 哇，这大罐的range是不一样。哇 ，range is so freaking good. I'm recording right? Oh my god, am I not recording? I cannot see 一下 I think I'm not recording it. Never mind. I think the timer is moving, so it should be recording now. Oh, I should just. Okay, it was recording. 吓死我哎 ！Oh my god, I thought like 哇，我是录了整个前面，然后它没有 record 到 ，I'll be so upset. I really want to eat 那个炸蘑菇 ，but 他们只有 specific outlets 有位，所以附近我的都没有卖炸蘑菇 ，I'm so sad. You don't know I've been craving for this for how long? But 因为我一直在咳嗽，所以我不敢去买来吃。But it's not like the most convenient 啊。OK， 我有这么一个的 lemon pepper， 我偷 from 我妈妈那边的。我这次买的是 chicken tenders。我 normally 会买那个 wings，but 因为我一直看那些 TikTok video 吃，然后我胃打喊了，then I thought like okay, you know what, I'm gonna try the chicken tenders。Also nice。lemon pepper is good。Sorry 啊，我还是有一点点鼻塞或者咳嗽一点点，so please don't mind me if I sound a bit weird。Oh my god。这种才叫卷卷薯条。OK, McDonald's, take note, OK? So good。我一开始刚吃 Wingstop 的时候，我是吃lemon pepper 跟 garlic parmesan 的。It would have been perfect if it's like garlic lemon or something, I don't know, or like garlic pepper, but they don't have so. Then 有时候那个 parmesan 会 get a bit overwhelming. So after 一段时间之后，I tried another flavor. 我试了那个 ketchup manis. Oh, I fell in love because ketchup manis is like 又甜又辣 ，and it tastes very good。现在我通常都会叫 lemon pepper 跟 ketchup manis。今天我 try 不一样的，今天我 try 这个，因为我看人家一直 post， 昨天我 try 这个 cayenne rub。 a Louisiana rub, which is like cayenne pepper or something. 它是干的啦 I'm not sure if it's supposed to be spicy or not. Oh, look at the ranch! It just tastes like normal fried chicken with no seasoning. This is不辣. I thought like it's gonna be a bit spicy with the cayenne pepper or something. Sorry 啊，这个衣服很老because 它的 collar 很松啊。Oh, it's a bit disappointing because a lot of people order the Louisiana wrap. I thought that it's gonna be like very nice, but it tastes okay only. I hope from this angle y'all cannot see anything below because TMI 我没有穿裤子。Ooh, so good.如果你们有看我之前的吃播，你们应该知道，我有 try 做自己的 ranch right， but 虽然 taste a bit similar, but of course 你还是比不了这个啦 ，because from what 我在 TikTok 找 on how to make like Wingstop ranch right, usually 你需要用那个 ranch powder from like I don't know Ranch Valley or something, which我在 Shopee 有找到 but it's so expensive for that one packet of ranch powder. It's like 8到10块 for 一包 ranch powder. 那个 I don't think I'm gonna pay for that. 你知道为什么我 like 停了一点吗？ You literally pay like $3.50 for this shit. So actually it's quite worth for the $8 to $10 maybe. But if you want to compare to like if 你在按摩的国家买的话 it's gonna be like so damn cheap compared to like I need to pay 8到10块钱 in Singapore. Oh, 我一直在吃旁边那个，我没有吃那个 ketchup mayonnaise 给你们看。Okay, the one thing that I don't like about ketchup mayonnaise is the 炸葱。来，我通常是有吃炸葱的 but I don't know, I just don't, I'm just not feeling 那个炸葱在它那个鸡上面。But it looks like this. 它就是整个 coated with sauce。如果你可以吃辣的话，then 你才买这个啦 ，because 真的是有一点点小辣。你可以吃 maybe 麻辣的小辣 and above 的话 ，I think it's gonna be fine for you 啦。Oh, I keep burping. Oh, it's so good. If 你没有吃过那个 ketchup mayonnaise 的 flavor, please just try it. 我今天好像没有很辣。那时我 order 过一次，我吃哦 ，that one was really quite spicy. 今天的比较甜一点。你们喜不喜欢吃 Wingstop？ 你们最喜欢吃的 Wingstop 的 flavor 是什么 ？Sorry， 你们可以听到外面的声音有点大声。 还don't know是不是因为最近很多 influencer 在 TikTok 做吃播他们在吃 Wingstop 所以 suddenly like there's so many Wingstop video。一路来其实都有人在吃，只是没有人 post。可是我好像有点饱了，惨了。I'm not sure if this is a good view, or I should be like showing you like that. Is this better?真的有点饱了噻，我也是很想要录一个 Wingstop 的吃播版，我的脸很垂一下。我先录一段TikTok视频 ，OK？ OK， 我拍好了。那个路易加那 wrap 的真的很 disappointing 哎。I mean even though ranch 本身有味道吧，那个鸡本身有它自己的味道，也会比较好吃，你明白吗 ？It's just like 我觉得我吃这个东西没有味道，但我死命的去沾盐这样子。因为ketchup嘛，真的有点甜。我好饱哦！我感觉我没有录很久罢了诶。My forever dream of being like 那些可以吃很多的那种主播 ，it's never gonna come true, man. Even though I'm this size. This may be the last piece so that I can stomach. 很饱噻。Oh, that's a bit bad. I'm gonna keep the ranch, man. 这是3块半了。No waste here. 通常我在录视频的时候，我看 camera 多数都是 OK 的吧。当我在剪辑的时候，我才可以看得到 if it's weird or not. So hopefully this video is still okay. 哎呀，你们知道的啦，我的吃播全部都很垃圾的。可是 I always question 嘛，我问为什么你们会要看我做吃播吧？你们喜欢看，我就尽量做多一点给你们看啦哦。我真的好饱 ，I'm sorry， 我一直重复吧，我真的好饱，我还剩最后2口。虽然我很饱了 ，right， 可是如果有炸蘑菇会更爽。没错，我的炸蘑菇真的是很好吃的诶。我hit limit了，我太饱了 ，Oh my god！ 我觉得我现在可以 just 躺在我的床睡觉了。OK， 所以今天的视频就到这里啦，希望你们今天看得开心。如果你们喜欢这个视频的话，记得点赞哦。如果你们还想要看我做什么来吃东西的视频来，你们可以给一点意见来。你们喜欢看一点什么东西，还是你们想要看我吃些什么东西，我都可以尽量去 try to source and 拍给你们看。But no promises，OK？I just try。我通常都会戴眼镜 ，right？But then 我是心想，等一下我可以来录1-2个视频，但是我再戴隐形眼镜 ，so I may look a bit even more 垂。Yeah， 谢谢你们今天看得开心 ，OK？ 我们下个视频见吧，拜拜。